How to make an interactive component in Figma. To do this, I've prepared this like button here. And the way we create an interactive component is by first creating a component. So we select our frame here, which is the button, and we go up here to create a component. And now we can go ahead and create variants of that. Let's create 2 variants like that. And now we can change them the way we want. Like, let's say this is going to be a different color. Let's make this red hue. Make the text a little bit darker. And let's change this one to blue, for example. It's lighter blue. And let's give the text a darker blue like this. We can also change the text, just double click. Now we can type in different things like that. This can be share. Don't worry about this part, that's just the frame. We can always expand that like that. Okay, so the way we make this interactive is we go to our prototype section here on the right, and now we can add this animation to it to make it interactive. Just click on this plus sign and link it to the next one like that. And now I can choose that it's gonna transition from this to the red one on click, and we can keep everything else like this. Same with this one, transition into the next one. And we can go back from the last one to the first one like this. Again, on click, that's all right. Okay, so now we have our component here, and to try it out, we can go to assets. But first we have to create a frame, because we always need a frame to show the components, to prototype them. So now I can just drag my new component in here, and let me reposition that. And something else I can do is go back to design. So I want to make sure that it stays center. So the way I do this is just press Auto Layout and select the center of it. So now if I go to this play button here on the top right, which is going to be my present prototype, it's going to open in a new tab. Now we have to wait for it to load. And as you can see, now I can interact with this button and change its size, like its style. So that's how you create an interactive component in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.